All right, guys, I posted some videos last time which I mentioned how you can borrow money or ask for student loan in any of the schools where you are going to study in abroad. Some people wrote me asking me, is there some schools right here in Netherlands that you can apply for student loan while you are studying? All right. Anyway, guys, before I further this information, please make sure you touch the share button and like so that other people can get this update also. Now, coming to Netherlands, if you want that schools, because I have two schools that I have already verified, where you can ask for student loan and get that loan granted. Now, first of all, you need to pay the first tuition fee. All right. After some period of time, probably one or two times, then the third one, you have to borrow money. You have to ask for student loan. There are processes that attach to this. All right. And there are requirements that attach to this student loan. All right. And bear in mind, this student loan is not something that you borrow and you will not pay back. Definitely, you are going to pay it back. All right. As a student, they expect you to pay this loan gradually after when you must have graduated and get a job right here in Netherlands. Now, I got few schools. Let me not say much, but two schools that can grant you student loan right here in Netherlands. One of the university that can grant you student loan right here in Netherlands is University of Rotterdam. Some of you who are living here, probably you don't know how it works. Some people will also say that it's not true because they are schooling here. Also, don't forget there are people who still live here, but they don't know how to get a job. But yet, there are a lot of jobs everywhere, right here in Netherlands. But if you don't know how it works, you also say, no, it's not true. Now, the same thing goes with the universities that grant you student loan. All right. So if you are coming to study right here in Netherlands, the first one on my list is University of Rotterdam. Rotterdam is one of that university that will give you the student loan, that will give you the opportunity to graduate. And Rotterdam is also a place where if you are looking for a foreign partner or you are looking for a foreign, that is whether husband or wife, just go to Rotterdam. It's one of the places that you can find foreigners who came into Netherlands to study. All right. And another place that I will mention to you is right here in my city, University of 20. All right. Some of you who knows about University of 20 will also know the university I'm talking about. University of 20 is another school that will grant you student loan. All right. Don't forget, I said there are requirements that are attached to this. You need to meet up the requirement and submit them before they will grant you that student loan. All right. So for some of you who have been asking about the universities you can apply and get student loan, now I've mentioned it. The first on my list is University of Rotterdam. The second one is University of 20, right here in Enschede, all in Netherlands. All right. So if you are looking for that school that will grant you student loan, look out for these two schools right here in Netherlands. Don't forget, schools in Netherlands is a little bit expensive. That is the reason why I don't encourage, because I know a lot of people cannot afford it, or some people may not afford it. Let me not say a lot of people. Some people may not afford it. But if you are able to apply for admission right here in Netherlands and they grant you admission, they will go as far as helping you in your visa processing. All right. They will guide you. They will even call the embassy. They will help you to put up a book appointment. I mean, just call the Department of Foreign Affairs and they will help you in your visa processing. All right. So that is one thing I like about Netherlands universities. Even after paying that high tuition fee, they will also support you in your visa processing. They will tell you everything that will help you to succeed ASAP. All right. So look out for these two schools that will grant you student loan. And that is one of the things that I will always encourage anyone. If you know that you don't have sufficient fund coming to study, look out for schools that will grant you student loan. It's often very much important because I don't expect you to, even when you have all the money, except your family are rich, your parents are rich, then you will say, okay, let me just use my parents' money, my family money to graduate. All right. But if you are not that buoyant enough, look out for schools that will grant you student loan. Then save the little one you have to help yourself. You can even come here with the little one you have, use it to start up a business. After when you must have paid first or second tuition, then you borrow, you ask for loan, student loan, in order to be doing your studies and also be doing business. All right. So this is the update. This is the update I say make a drop for. I know it's been a long time. Don't forget to like, share, and follow this channel. And I will see you again in my next video. King of Updates. Kodukwa no Munim.